Okay, sketch the curve for each pair of parametric equations. And so the pair is just letting you know that what we want you to do is we're letting you know that x is equal to t. Because they equal each other, you can actually rewrite that as y is equal to x squared over 6. Well, that's just a parabola. So you know how to draw that, but the easiest way to be precise is go ahead and create a table of x values. And because this is something squared divided by 6, I chose negative 6 because negative 6 squared is 36. 36 divided by 6 is 6. Then I chose 3 because negative 3 squared is 9. 9 over 6 simplifies to 3 halves. 0 squared divided by 6 is still 0. And then you've got your positive versions of the negatives because a negative squared is positive. So that opposite value squared, the y values will be the same. And now you've got 5 coordinate points to just plot on a graph, and voila, you're done. Okay, so now we have a circle that we're going to graph, but this is what it ends up looking like. So when you have problems that look like this, understand that it's probably going to be a system, and it could end up being a circle, an ellipse, or a hyperbola. It could be any of those things right there. All right. So let's see, what can we do with this? We can't do much with this, but if we had cosine squared and sine squared, we could do something with that. So we're going to square both sides. So I'm going to write it as x squared. Ooh, and I forgot to square the 4, so 16. Be careful about that. It's easy for the teacher to make that error. It's easy for you to make that error. Okay, so now we could go ahead and add the systems if we wanted. We could say x squared, we're going to add each of the left sides. X squared plus y squared is equal, well, these both are going to share a 16, so I'm going to write it as 16 on the outside, cosine squared t plus sine squared t. And some of you might be concerned that there's a t, but watch what happens. What's cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta? Yeah, that cancels to 1. So now we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 16 times 1, which is 16. So that radius is going to be 4, not 2. So we're going to put the radius, draw a little circle or kind of an arc at 4 from the 0, all directions. And maybe some of you could draw a circle better than I can. But boom, that's all there is to it. So we graphed a parabola from a parametric equation and a circle. Let's see if we've got one more of these. Oh, that's the exact same one. Nope, that was it, and then I'll start a new video. All right, that's it for now.